So hey guys, welcome to part 3 of the assembly and outfeed table build. Here I'm just putting on the skirt for the side of the table. I left the ends open for drawers and a storage area. So this is 2x8 Douglas fir from Home Depot. Cost me a fortune. So here I use a square on everything, but I was 3/8 of an inch out. It's somewhere. I did have to go back and fix that so that my drawers fit. But I guess the lesson there is always measure. Don't just rely on your square. Well, hey guys, my camera keeps shutting off because of thermal overload. My God, it may blow up. No, it's so hot here, and I'm in Idaho, and it's literally 105, 110 degrees. So I've got the bottom shelf put on my assembly table, outfeed table. I'm preparing to install a vise, so that's getting done right now. So it's going to go here. I can't put it over here by the leg, so it's going to come over here. So I've got to install the back and then make a template for the holes I'm going to drill. Yeah, let's get going on that. By the way, this is a CNC box I built. Just kind of a proof of concept. You can see the joinery. This was all cut out on a single 1/8 inch piece of plywood on the CNC. I thought that was interesting. But it works, and it actually is pretty solid. So here is the storage area I was talking about. There was going to be drawers on the other side of that, but I can put a lot of stuff in there. This is going to be kind of an abbreviated video. There's a lot more steps that I went through that I've not included because frankly building drawers is boring. I do want to take this opportunity to say I ordered my drawer slides from Amazon. Chinese junk. I had so much trouble with them. Went to Home Depot, bought some real ones that weighed twice as much, figure that out, and the drawers went right in. So I've completed my outfeed table, assembly table, and I'm going to show you a few of the features that are in it. Number one is this spice. I put some dog holes in it. It's not perfect, but it's gonna accomplish what I'm looking to do. As I stated before, I made this for my Cobalt portable saw. Then in the middle of this build, I bought this rigid off Craigslist for a good deal, and really happy with it. I mean, it's like night and day. I put a Diablo blade on it. Back to the Outfeed table. So I put these drawers in here, put a divider in there. Have yet to organize them. So there's 3 drawers. The bottom one's the deepest, so I can put tools in it. I put 4 coats of poly on the top. I trimmed out the edge. I just took some 1x and cut it down and did my trimmed around the edge. This top is just screwed on so that when it gets damaged or hammered or it's time to change it, I can just unscrew it, change the top portion, and be good to go. These are cabinet casters. And then this side, instead of drawers, I have it open for storing things. The big thing about this is now I have a surface to assemble things. This is just laying on here. And there you can see my dog holes, my saw. Just a real basic table to help me with my projects. So hey YouTube, so I'm finally finished with the Outfeed table. Like I said, I built this for my little Cobalt contractor portable saw. In the meantime, I bought this rigid 4512 10-inch saw. For the first time, I feel like I've got a real shop here. I mean, I've got all the tools, but I have this island now with this table saw in it, and it feels pretty good. Anyway, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Well, folks, thanks for watching. We'll catch you a little further on down the trail.